Welcome back. Now we will look at the statement of changes in equity, which is also known as statement of changes in owner's equity or statement of changes in shareholder equity. Now this section of the financial statement serves to report changes in the owner's investment in the business over time. The first basic component of owner's equity is the paid-in capital, which essentially is a result of issuing shares to the investors. The other component of owner's equity is retained earnings. Now retained earnings includes the cumulative amount of company's profit that have been retained in the company. Now for each component, the statement of changes in equity presents the beginning balance. It also presents any increase during the period or any decrease during the period, and ultimately after summing it up, it also presents the ending balance. So for example, the paid-in capital of a company can increase in case there is a new issuance of stock by the company, and the paid-in capital can decrease if the company repurchases any of its previously issued stock. In case of retained earnings, if the company has had a profitable year, then the retained earning increases because of an increase in income. However, in case the company pays some of these profits generated in the year in the form of dividend to the investors, then this will result in a decrease in the retained earnings. So for example, in case of V Group, the equity at the end of 2009 is 37,430 million, while equity at the end of 2008 was 37,388 million. Now in this statement of changes in equity, you see that the equity amount in 2008 is reduced due to dividend payment and increased due to comprehensive income and deferred tax. So this is what is shown in the statement of changes in equity. Basically, the statement of changes in equity summarizes the changes that have taken place to the equity capital of the firm over the relevant period. Now in the next lecture, we'll look at another important component of the balance sheet, which is known as the cash flow statement.